Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, you're appreciated. New viewers, subscribe so you get awesome recipes like today. Today we're going to be doing some baking and we're going to make some pumpkin muffins. First things first, preheat to 350. All right, with that out of the way, let's jump right into our dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour in my mixing bowl already. To that I'm going to add in 1 cup of regular granulated sugar. And then I've got a bunch of stuff on this plate. In here I have half a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. I'm going to do a gentle mix. I'm using my paddle. Drop down low. Let that mix up a little bit while we're talking about that. Let's talk about wet ingredients. All right, well, I told you this is pumpkin, so this is a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. You can see the 3 eggs. There's also a teaspoon of vanilla in there that you can't really see. This is melted butter, and it is unsalted butter. About 2/3 of a cup. I'll put this in on the side. Careful to let it cool so you don't burn your eggs up or scramble them up. And then we're just going to mix this together to get it combined. Don't be afraid to break those eggs up. There's no other liquids to this. The butter and the pumpkin are really going to be moist enough. All right, so it's pretty well combined. We don't have to worry about it being perfect because we're going to put that into our blender. Get this out of my way. There. And right in, and we're just going to do a gentle blend on this as well to get everything combined. It's all in the bowl now. Put our paddle back on, knock it down, and like I said, a gentle mix until this combines. We'll come back as soon as that's all combined up. All right, it looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and we'll shake this off, scrape it off. So I'm just using a big spoon. If you've got a ice cream scoop that's a little smaller, it'll work too. I'd say about not quite full. That'll settle in because it is going to grow a little bit when we bake it. So I'll fill all these up and then we'll put them in the oven. All right, so you can see that you get about 16 muffins out of this recipe. And again, 350. 22, 23 to about 25, maybe 26 minutes. Just kind of keep an eye on them. Use the toothpick test and we'll see you in 25. I think I forgot to mention that I did spray these with cooking spray prior. So if you're wondering how I'm going to get them out so that they come out clean, I sprayed them. You can also use the muffin wrap things. We're going to let them cool for a few minutes and then we'll finish them off. What I've done so far, you might notice that these kind of have a little bit of a sheen to them. I've taken some melted butter, like so, and it doesn't have to be a lot. Just enough to get on there. And my finishing is just good old-fashioned cinnamon sugar. I'm just going to sprinkle a little on. And that's all there is to it, guys. I'll finish those up, but you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video, and as always, take care.